Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you, does the NGL old links work? So let's get started. So to find that you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, open your NGL. So if you see, NGL provides a different link for the different user names. Okay, so for example my username is here, as you can see, one more watch YT, like this. So it's my username. So they have given me a different link. So every person have different link. If you have closed your NGL app but you have not deleted your account, then your link will work. If you have deleted your account and closed it, that means your link will be not working. So this is the way that you can check, and if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.